Hello Professor, my name is Sawan Patel and today I am going to talk about my Lab 3 assignment, which is a calculation with DAX. So I created my PowerPoint slide and here is my reference, and here in the slide it shows the data set which I get it from the online. It shows real estate sales between 2001 to 2018. So I will show it here. So this is the US government website for the data, and from here I get the real estate sales between 2001 to 2018, and that data I put that in a Excel. Here is my raw data. It shows lots of number of line and serial number list here, town, address, and all the columns. And here is my clean data. I cleaned some data which I required for my this lab. So let's quickly go in the Power BI, and here I already created the chart and dashboard. So to save my time, because it takes time when I created the measure and all the stuff. So for the chart one, I selected the line chart, which is right here, and in that I get the average sales and sale amount by the property type. So for the creating the measure, I selected the sale amount and right click it, created a new measure, and just load time. Here I selected average sales. Here I selected average for this data set and the sale amount. I already created this one, so I'm not going to implement this time, which shows here average sales right here. This is my query shows right here, and I gave the title average sales and sale amount by the property type. So it shows commercial average sales, right, almost less than $50 billion from my data set. So this is my first chart, and I put the measure in my PowerPoint, and shows the chart here which I explained. Let's quickly go in the second chart. First I will show you my measure. So in my measure I need to show some connection between two measures. So in my first measure I selected the average data of the sale amount. So here in my second I want to show you how I get the average of the sale amount, and that is why I get the measure sale amount sum of this sale amount, and in that I show you I selected the cluster column chart, and for this one I showed the average sum of the sale amount by the resident type and the list year. So every year it shows the sale amount for the different type of resident type. So here is my second chart which I already put that in the PowerPoint slide. Let's quickly go in the dashboard. So I put both the chart into my dashboard, and it is interactive because it has a connection of the sale amount. So sale amount and the property type. So if I select the residential, it shows the residential sale amount by the every year, right? If I selected the condo, it shows for the condo. So here it is my dashboard, which is interactive, and I created the dashboard slide, in my PowerPoint slide as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.